Hello, Tamala Display. So today we are going to learn Tibetan lesson 12. Learning a single word gapar for asking question. So let's learn the pronunciation. Gapar, gapar, gapar. Kirang gapar yu. Kirang gapar yu. Kirang gapar yu. Nga nang la yu. Nga nang la yu. Nga nang la yu. Hip gapar yu. Tip chok zi ding la yu. Tip gapar yu. Tip chok zi ding la yu. Tip gapar yu. Tip chok zi ding la yu. Chi gapar yu. Chi nang la yu. Chi gapar yu. Chi nang la yu. Chi gapar yu. Chi nang la yu. Tamala Display. So today we are going to learn Tibetan Lesson 12. Tibetan Lesson 12 asking simple question. Here we have gapar. It means where. Gapar. So when we pronunciation gapara, bar, gapar. When you're speaking gapar, barely can heard the sound of the ra. So mostly you can hear is gapar, gapar. Kerang gapar yu gapar. So kerang gapar, gapar. So it comes in the end kind of sound when we're speaking. But when you're pronouncing, it has R, right? Gapar. Kerang gapar, gapar. Gapar, gapar, gapar. Kerang gapar yu. Kerang gapar yu. Kerang gapar yu. Kerang gapar yu. The pattern comes subject as kerang, and then comes gapar, and then yu. This is one asking that question. We have answer like a nga nang la yu. 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 So the pattern is subject and then place plus la and then yu. So in this sentence, so the place and la comes together, right? So nga nang la yu. Nga nang la yu. So the pattern you can say here, subject gapar yu. When you heard that kind of question, you can answer subject, place, and la yu. Someone is asking, where are you? So personally say, nga nang la yu. Nga tom la yu. Nga gomba la yu. Nga. So you can use in all kind of situation when you hear someone asking gapar in this kind of question. For example, chi gapar yu. Chi gapar yu. Chi gapar yu. Chi gapar yu. So how we answer this? Chi nang la yu. Chi nang la yu, right? So if chi, this is no. Chi nang la. Chi nang la yu. Chi nang la yu. So subject and place la yu. Chi nang la yu. So we say chi nang la yu. Chi nang la yu. Chi nang la yu. Next we have here tip gapar yu. So tip gapar yu. Tip gapar yu. Tip gapar yu. So we can say tep nang la yu, but we are learning a new word here. So this is chok tse, chok tse, chok tse, chok tse. Cha na ro chok ka chok. Cha deng bo tse, chok tse, chok tse. So it comes is something, right? Chok tse is chok tse. So we will add actively. So this is new grammar and we will learn later. But right now we know that chok tse thing like you means the book is on the table. So we how to know that. So tab chok tse thing like you. Tab is a subject, right? And then place or something has on place or something that is here, right? And then like you. So that is the pattern we learn. So tiếp chốt chê tiếng là yu. 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 This we learn by simply listening the videos that I put before, right? So then here we learn again Tiang gapar yu. So when we ask this question, we mostly say na. So that is like a chi gapar yu, tep gapar yu. These are the homework. So answer those questions. And then in this lesson, we learned a simple grammar note that, for example, na as a subject, right? Lop kang la yu, place it. So in this lesson, it, am, you can use like a la. So when we right now is have, right? So have. So I am at school. Na lop kang la yu. So in this, you can say la as it. So this is like a happy word. So having the having the subject has something or having the subject at real location. This is helping word. So is a place, right? Not an object. So I am at school in this na lokang la yu. So lokang is a place and la is helping word. Having the subject is where, right? Has. So not lokang la yu. So this is a simple grammar rule. And if you have any question regarding this grammar, we will learn in the future about the la in other lessons. So this is just simple understanding what is we learned in asking question kabar and then how you answer that question in the pattern wise. So that's all lesson today we have. 참말라 도지치 가리슈고